So 5-2 is all about sequences, right? So sequences, that's an ordered list of numbers. That's a sequence, an ordered list. You've also done this in starting probably even in kindergarten when you started ordering things. Okay? But you started it with like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in first grade you probably went to 2, 4, 6, 8. You started counting by evens and odds and things like that. So you've been doing these a long time. A term is each number in a sequence. A term is each number. So how they say that is they'll say like list the 5th term of the sequence. So you know you're looking for the 5th number. Or list the missing term, right? Because they'll put like 2, 4, 8, 10, and you have to figure out it's 6. Okay? Arithmetic. Remember that word, arithmetic?
Yeah.
Okay, an arithmetic sequence is when each term is found by adding the same number to the previous term. So that's adding. Arithmetic means adding. So, our first example is pretty basic. 8, 13, 18, 23. What are we adding by?
5.
Silly. Who said 10? All right. So we're adding by 5. You don't really need to write down the little +5 unless you need it, but you pretty much can see it, right? So if they say list the next 3, it'll say list the next 3 terms sometimes. It would be 28, 33, 38. This is how it'll be like in your homework and stuff and your practice. Okay? All right. Easy enough?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now what about if there's decimals? It's the same.
Same.
What is this being, what is this going up by?
2.
2?
0.2.
0.2. Good, thank you. So what would it be the next term? 1.2, then
4.
Good, and 1.
6.
You're so smart.
Yeah.
Okay? So it's not going to be whole numbers anymore because we just finished rational numbers, so that tells me we're going to have decimals and fractions. Okay? If we just kept it as whole numbers, then we would just keep you at the 2nd grade level. But we can't do that. So that means our numbers will get a little more challenging. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
0.2. It's going up by 0.2.
Ready.
A few more seconds. Okay. So for practice, we're going to 361, 1 through 7, and 362, 11, and 12. Then when you finish that, you can go on to the homework. I'm going to write all the homework up on the board for you guys so you have it. Probably won't end up with homework today, right?
No.
Which is nice. Okay, again, no calculators.